My name is Donna. I just moved into a new house. I have a 4-year-old. I have a total of 5 kids. I work full-time. I have a very busy, hectic life. Over the years, I really have noticed that my hair was getting thinner. It wasn't as thick as what it used to be. The fullness was just not there. There was a time that I could actually see through my hair. I looked in the mirror one day and I realized that I could see back to about midway on my scalp. And that was a little shocking. I heard them on the radio and I checked them out online. I felt confident in being able to go there and receive their treatments. I received a hair analysis. The hair analysis was pretty in-depth. They get in there with a little camera and you really see the fine details in the hair in your scalp. The hair analysis showed me the health of my scalp and gave me insight to the health of my hair as well. They could help me grow more hair and that the hair that I had would be healthier. The consultants that I spoke with, they've had that treatment as well. I could see the results in front of my eyes. I felt very confident in the fact that they could take care of me. After I left the consultation, I knew I'd picked the right place. I knew I was in good hands. I received a PRP treatment recently, and I've really noticed the fullness, the volume in my hair has really grown a lot since that time. I have noticed that I have little hairs growing in. It's beginning to feel fuller. The PRP treatment was less than 30 minutes. It was fast and easy. I was in and out of there in no time. For a working mom, the hours are very convenient. It's late afternoons or on the weekends. It really fits my schedule well. So one of the benefits of the PRP treatment, I really feel like my hair is a lot fuller and thicker. It is amazing how PRP has been used for years and now it is used to restore your hair. I tried other treatments, I tried other products. They did not work. Not like the PRP treatment did for me. I think if someone were to ask me about the experience, I would tell them not to be concerned, not to be afraid. Go in, have the treatment. There's no pressure. Everyone is wonderful to work with there. They have a variety of treatment options. PRP was the best treatment for me.